Welcome to the heart of Florence, Italy. Today, we take you on a journey through one of the most world's renowned art museum, the Uffizi Gallery. Whether you are an art aficionado or a casual visitor, the Uffizi's vast collection will leave you in awe. Hi everyone, I'm Lily, and today in this video, we'll explore the masterpiece history and highlights of the Uffizi Gallery. Let's step inside and uncover the treasures of this unique museum. The Uffizi Gallery was originally designed by Giorgio Vasari in 1560 or Cosimo I Medici to house of administrator and judicial offices of Florence. The name Uffizi actually means offices in Italian. Over time, the Medici family began to display their vast art collection here, transforming it into the museum we know today. Now let's dive into some of the Uffizi's most famous pieces. This is the Birth of Venus by Leonardo da Vinci, painted in the mid-1480s. It's one of the most celebrated works of the Italian Renaissance, depicting the goddess Venus emerging from the sea. Notice the delicate details and use of tempera on canvas which gives the painting its ethereal quality. Next we have Leonardo da Vinci Antication. Created around 1472, this piece showcased Leonardo's mastery of perspective and his innovative use of light and shadow. Look at the way he captures the scenery movements and the angle Gabriel announcing the Mary that she will bear to say, the Son of God. The Uffizi Gallery itself is a work of art. Vasari's architectural design includes elegant corridors, grand arches, and stunning ceiling forces that add to the museum's allure. Walking through these halls is like stepping back in time. The Medici family were not only powerful rulers but also passionate patrons of the arts. Their collection includes works from legendary artists such as Michelangelo, Raphael, and Caravaggio. Each piece tells a story of Medici influence on the Renaissance and their intelligence. Before you visit, here are a few tips and enhance your experience at the Uffizi Gallery. First, book your tickets in advance to avoid long queues. Second, plan your visits to focus on the key section as the gallery is extensive. Lastly, take our time to appreciate each masterpiece. The Uffizi is a place where art comes to life. That wraps our trip to the Uffizi Gallery. We hope you enjoyed this journey through one of Florence's most iconic landmarks. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and more travel content. Let us know in comments which artwork was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and you will see in next adventure.